instruction and curricular design systems. So these are for teachers and department heads and curriculum instructors and developers. And, these handle the development and implementation. So you can map your curriculum, you can create, they provide you with lesson planning templates. They have standard alignment guides. They have a resource library that's part of their system. Here are some of them that you can use. The links to all of these things that we provide here are in the notes on the slides, which you have access to. So if you want to go through and look at their websites and see some demonstrations, you can just scroll through that list.